So our next task is about list comprehensions. You are given three integers x, y, z. So what you have to do, you have to print a list of all possible coordinates by I comma j comma k on a 3D grid where sum of I j k is not equals to n. What is n? N is an integer. Okay, sounds nice. Let's see the example. X, y, z 1 1 2 and n is 3. Okay, so which means I plus j plus k should not be equals to 3. N is 3, that means you will be given 3 dimensions. Okay, no, n is something that it should not be add up to. So basically 2 plus 1 plus 1, it is 4, but it says n equals to 3. So the value should not be equal to 3, but it can be 4 as I see here. So let's move. It says 2, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3, but it should not go to 2. So you see the last one, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. Okay, sounds good. Let's see the input 2 to 2, so it should not be 2, and there are multiple combinations generated. So we need loops, but we have to do it with the list comprehension. Okay, so in order to work with list comprehensions, let's write the code for it. So we will have to print it. Okay, let's create a list a comma b comma c, and that should be inside the list because we are writing list comprehension. Okay, so this will be the list. Okay, so for a in range of, let's say, x plus 1, and for b in range of y plus 1, for c in range of z plus 1. Okay, now we have iterated all the loops and we have printed the values, but now we will have to put the conditions. So here's the condition: if a plus b plus c is not equals n, then only print them, otherwise ignore them. Let's run the code. So both test cases worked successfully. Let's submit it. Yeah, so all 9 test cases worked fine. Oh, there are 10. Yep. So let's move to the next challenge.